Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. It has, and I'm sorry, but today I'm actually unboxing the Dji Osmo Pocket 3, and I have never been so excited. I think the last time I was this excited for an unboxing was my guitar video, like 4 years ago, and I was legit like, quick thing I have to say about it. I think that they honestly just don't ship. I don't know if like Dji Osmo Pocket like legit is like takes a while to get in, but like the regular version without the creator combo said it was gonna be here like in like September. I'm in California in September, so that wasn't gonna work. I went ahead and got the creator combo, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing after I find some scissors. We are going to go ahead and just start unboxing this thing because I am actually so excited. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. I actually love it. This is adorable. I have never thought I loved something more. This is actually, oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Okay, one of the things that I really loved about the Osmo Pocket 3 that like kind of convinced me to buy it was the face tracking, because as you all know, I am a dancer, and trying to video yourself in the studio is awful because you have to like make sure you're in frame. And then I'm currently filming on the Canon T2i, and I really finished my thought, but because of the camera that I do have, it doesn't really have a flip up option, and you never really know if you're in focus, which is one of the things I liked about this camera. And here's the camera in its little case. It has the papers with all DJI, the start guide, the light app. This was in the creator combo. There's all of our papers. We're grabbing this up. Let's see, in here I believe is all of our tiny little things that come with the creator combo, such as the mic. Alright, so the first thing, that was in that little box was this carrying case. Look at that. Oh, here is the camera. We're gonna open it up. And here it is. So the first thing that you see is obviously the camera. This thing is amazing. At this thing, we're gonna go ahead and peel off. Oh, I'm gonna flip it to the side. That is so cool. Okay, give me 1 minute. It's making me connect to that. Alright, so I just got the app. This is actually sick. And then so the next things that are in here is we have the mic, and this is just you can clip it on your shirt, and it comes with the something dead cat, something like that. That's what I just keep calling it. And then this, so I believe this one looks like the longer one, so it's the extra battery pack. And it charges and gives you a little bit extra length. And then this one, this is the little tripod. There you go. And it's just a little baby mini tripod. This is the shorter one that I think is what most people end up using. There we go. So it doesn't fall off. And but people, because you have to have this on, because the actual camera does not have the tripod. There's our last thing that's in here. The dead cat thing that like covers the mic. Whew. And then we also have a wrist strap, which is probably going to be going on. And then this, which just attaches to the mic. So we have the wide angle lens that we can just clip on the case for the mic. So if I want to clip it onto a shirt, for example, connects it. Actually, the charger. USB-C to USB-C. I'm going to go play with this for a little bit. I have the wide angle thing on right now, as you can tell, because it's kind of warping my bed, but if I just like take it off, it's fine. I'm gonna have to see. I feel like it's better close up, but like if I take it like down here, I feel like I have to talk louder. I also love how well this does in low light, because all I have on is a lamp over there. That's what I'm doing. I'm editing right now. Hey everyone, so I'm actually going to do my final thoughts and conclusion of this video on the Dji Osmo Pocket 3 because I love it that much, and my Canon is like back there, and I just don't want to get it out and like have the hassle of it, which is the biggest thing that I have to say about this camera, is that it's so easy to use. It's a small and compact, like people don't even know that you're like vlogging. I've been using it for dancing, and those videos have turned out so amazing. This is also kind of like my test run for this camera and everything. For the time, yeah. The quality is absolutely insane, and once you can get into the app, it's so easy to transfer the videos from your camera to your phone. And the one thing that I did have to change at my phone, I was having issues with it transferring from the camera to the app on my phone, and what I do have to do, turn your phone on airplane mode, but keep your Wi-Fi on so that way it'll connect to the camera. But for some reason, like it's like a connection issue, but you just have to turn on airplane mode for it to load from your camera to your phone. That was the only really issue I had with the camera. Everything else has been so smooth. The battery life is insane. I haven't charged it in like days. It has like half charge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I post a lot of dance content, a lot of vlog content, a lifestyle sort of stuff. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed. Comment down below your favorite part of the video, or what kind of camera you have, or if you ever have considered getting this camera. Subscribe to see more videos from me. And I hope you all have an amazing day.